Hey everyone, and today I would like to show you how to draw a snake and a girl together. And that's not my art originally. I copied it from Polybright art because that's just how I make art. I never create it, I just copy. And first of all, I drew a sketch in a coffee shop, and now I'm just gonna color it. And to start off, I'm using just water to apply it on the paper, and then I'm using some black color. As you see, the painting itself is primarily in black and white, for exception of the snake. The snake is bright green. So for the hair, I'm just applying black and gray colors, sometimes mixing it up with white, creating different shades of hair on the girl. When I make art, I prefer to use multiple colors to make a feeling of gradient. When you see a color fading from one color to another, from darker shade to more lighter shade, that creates a more realistic image. I usually outline some details with darker shade of the tone that I'm primarily using, which is black in this case. Just some small hairs on the girl, and also some parts that are supposed to be in the shadow. First of all, I start drawing face by applying water as a first level, because that's how watercolor works. You apply the water first and then you apply the paint itself. And I start with white color, and then I'm using a little lighter tone of gray to do different shadows and like highlight her facial features, such as cheekbones and jaw lines and things like that. The lips are darker than the painting itself, so I'm trying to apply water first, and then I paint the lips with a gray color, apply some black to it and also white, trying to make it all smooth and natural looking. When you use different shades and tones of color, you can create a feeling of volume, which makes a painting more 3D, and that also creates like an advanced level of your skills in painting. Same thing with the neck, first water, then white color, then some gray for creating shadows and muscles and other bones on her neck. Now the fun, bright, colorful part, I'm starting to fill in the snake, and first of course with water to apply the color, and I'm using this bright green as my foundation for the snake, and then I'm using different tones of green from lighter to darker for making my snake more exotic and 3D, and playing with colors around to make it nice like you like it. I've even used tones of yellow to make like a bright neon green color, some emerald color, and also white. I'm also correcting hair a little bit to make it more 3D and create a feeling that the snake is coming out of the girl hair. Using the same technique and the same color palette, I'm painting the bottom of the snake just as I did the first time. For the additional exotic decor of the snake, I decided to add this white spots and outline it with emerald color, and then I also applied some water to make them more natural looking. That also was kind of a design on the original painting, but I changed it myself a little. So this is how the painting looks like at the end. Let me know if you tried the same art design and send me pictures. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.